This is a list of intentions for the channel, partially for you guys so that you know what the driving motivations are behind the work and what you might find here for yourself. Also, it's partially for me because I need to clarify what I'm doing here, and I've been recently taking a lot of risks, like selling my condo, quitting this awesome job contract that I had, and moving into my mom's basement to free up some time and resources. So it's important for me to keep crystal clear on what my goals are with this and some other projects I'm doing. So my first intention is to have fun. I really believe that the greatest benefit in life comes from following your excitement. So this is one of my greatest passions, and that's one of the reasons why I'm doing this. Second of all, I want to provide for people a pathway to different perspectives and expanding paradigms when helping people to learn how to get their own multiple eyewitness sightings. Then it opens up a door to mysteries and to hope. So that's what I want to do for people, provide for people. I also want to contribute my own portion of healing and upliftment for the earth, and to try to create a better world for the world's children. And I also would like to offer diversity to an audience to understand, so that you guys understand that there are a very wide variety of ways to make contact. People all over the world use different methods and different cultures, and hopefully one of those methods will resonate with you, so that you can actually get right out there and give it a go and see what happens for you. I also want to, part of that offering diversity is I want to give a voice to women. There are a lot of women in the contact movement, and they're just not as prominent as the guys. So providing a platform where it is welcoming and inviting to have them showcase their own experiences as well. And I also want to find the change agents that are out there. So I know a lot of you are going to just take this information and have fun with it and use it for yourself personally for whatever you are doing with this. But also I know that there are people out there who are kind of activists at heart, and I am an activist at heart. And so I want to be able to provide information, a different perspective, resources, and maybe just a model of somebody who is using the medium now, which is now social media, and reaching the next generations is really all about getting your face out there, even though it's really uncomfortable. So partially I'm providing a model for other people to do similar things, and I want to be able to showcase that work as well. So there's kind of like this network that could unfold from this. And then lastly, this is a way to funnel money back into the movement. So depending on how successful this is, of course, the time and the resources that I put in and equipment and all that kind of stuff need to be skimmed off the top, but anything that's left over will get put back into the movement for other people that are working for free, that don't really have a means or a concept of how to facilitate their own work and to allow their own work to grow through the time and effort and energy that it takes to do that. So does that make sense? But anyways, basically there are a lot of people doing amazing work that could use a cash injection. So here's hoping that this is super successful in that way, and that successful may be popular or engaging, so that we can create maybe a critical mass and make some changes very quickly, because that is very fun. So yep, I think those are all of my intentions. Yep, they are. So I hope that you enjoy the channel. I hope that this provides something meaningful or fun for you. And I'm really curious about what your intentions are and why you want to either get a UFO sighting, or if it's part of what you understand about what UFO sightings are, why it is that you want to make contact. So please leave a comment below.